Welcome to day 4. Let's get real. Let's get to work, shall we? This is your beginner Canva training. Let's start with some truth though, shall we? You don't need to be a graphic designer to build a brand. You don't need to be creative. You don't need to have an aesthetic feed. You just need to start creating so people can see you. See your name, see your message, start recognizing that what you're building actually matters, right? Because if they can't see you, they can't connect with you. And if they can't connect with you, they definitely won't buy from you. So today isn't about perfection. It's just about visibility and getting warmed up to Canva, because inside of our workshop, we do give you story templates that are built inside of Canva. So we just want to get used to a few of the features so you feel a little bit more comfortable when we move into the actual content posting phase of our workshop. Because content isn't just about what you say, it's about how you show up. Your visuals create an immediate impression, and Canva gives you the tools to make that impression strong. And without needing a degree or some virtual assistant or hours of editing, inside Canva, you can create clean, simple posts that look professional, build story slides to spark curiosity, use templates that match your energy, and start shaping a consistent vibe that helps people recognize your brand over time. This tool will become part of your daily rhythm. And today, it's about just getting comfortable with it, not perfect. So here's what I'm going to walk you through right now. We're going to walk you through just a few features of the fonts, sizes, and even the different shapes of templates that you can use inside of Canva. So when you step inside of our workshop, you know how to change the fonts, colors, and etc. Some of the first steps that's kind of crucial to know and to be able to put your name and handle on things. All right. So you can follow along with me or just watch this and repeat it later. Either way, let's take some pressure off. And then this is just meant to be light and fun. First off, we are going to do an Instagram post template, which is in a square size. So what you want to do is start with a clean square Canva template, and then just change the background color to something maybe soft or bold, whichever, your call. We're just playing around and having fun. And then let's write a hook in a text box. So navigate to where the text box is and write something fun like, what if it actually worked out this time? And then what you can do is, if you want to take it a little bit further, insert a photo of yourself or maybe a stock image from the Canva library. And then let's save it. You don't need to post this, so don't get scared. This is just to learn where the save tab is. So what I want you to do is either save it to your computer or save it to your phone. All right, let's move into a story slide with a curiosity teaser. So we're going to choose a story size background. Then type in a one-liner of a curiosity-driven text like, I've been quiet for a reason. And then the next step underneath that, I want you to add in either your IG handle or maybe if you do have a logo, I want you to add it in right below it. That's it. That's all I want you to do for the story slide curiosity teaser. And again, let's try to save it to our phone or our computer. Okay, lastly, let's do a real cover or a quote graphic, I guess. And what I want you to use this time is the vertical layout. And add a short quote, whichever you feel. Maybe something like, this is your permission to start getting messy. Now, what I want you to do is, I want you to move over and choose a bold or soft font combo that feels like you. Try switching the font or the color to make it more personalized. This graphic can double as a real cover, story, or a post. And then maybe just pick a couple colors that feel like you and choose one of the bold fonts actually that Canva gives plenty of combos for. Maybe try choosing and playing around with a couple of those. This doesn't have to be final. It just needs to start feeling like something that maybe you want to see often and really just getting used to navigating around Canva. That's it. That's all we're going to do today. But what I want you to do after this is there is a PLR Canva crash course located underneath this video that can walk you more in-depth steps inside of Canva. But if you're comfortable feeling where you are right now, playing around with a lot of those side features, then absolutely have fun. Get creative. And just remember, you don't need to be you don't have to create flawless graphics to build momentum. You just need visible consistency. Even if a basic story side says something like something's coming, can build trust and curiosity when done consistently. Canva is just a stage. It's where your ideas go to be seen, and no matter what your visuals are going to look like today, if you keep showing up, they're going to get stronger, better, and you'll get a lot more creative. Create to connect and create to be seen. And I am going to see you in the last day of the prep week.